The art of creating quality teachable environment process. Defining early childhood environment has many components. There are structural variables and process variables, which all lead to creating intentional teaching moments. However, there is more to look at. We also have to look at measuring our outcomes. Looking at defining early childhood environments, there are 3 different types of process indicators for quality programs. First is the teacher-child involvement. The second is health and safety of the environment. And thirdly is the structure of the program. All 3 factors need to be in place to ensure quality program. We also have to look at the structural indicators, which are adequate teacher training, providing a safe environment, keeping ratios small, parent and teacher communications, involving the parents. They need to be involved. There is also measuring quality tools, so we need to know how we're providing the quality. There are several different ways. You can use California Competencies, Early Childhood Environment Rating System, and the Intentional Reflective Teaching. There is one that I choose. I like to look at the Classroom Assessment Scoring System, also known as CLASS. The CLASS is an observing tool that focuses on effectiveness of the classroom interaction amongst teachers and the children. Within the class, there's 3 domains that help me self-reflect. There are emotional support, classroom organization, and instructional support.